Hi, this is Mel. Today I had the idea to talk a little bit about a few words that I had in my mind, basically about healing, and I went to Wikipedia to to check on them because of I had this thought about how come we have a few words almost same meaning about the word healing, uh, the word cure, and the word treatment. All right, because of the pretty much say the same thing, but they mean differently. Looking at the Wikipedia, and if we go to different institution, healing, like in the healing, curing institution or treatment institution, they use different words. Well, basically, when we want feel well, we know what it means to us. All right. So, but if we go to hospital, other standard regular in the healing, we can say it healing institution, hospital or whatever. They say we'll give you treatment. Okay. I went to Wikipedia. I got the word treatment and reading what it means, what it says. And it says basically medical case management or pain management, and that's makes sense why the treatment is management, and because of usually we get some kind of medication, we have procedures, and we're gonna the idea, the goal is not to feel the symptoms or maintain them, so keep them low. So basically that's the idea. But is that what we want? Right? Probably not. If we go to herbalist or new age practitioner and alternative healing practitioner, we always hear the word healing. And why is it not treatment? And I'm reading the word healing. It says literally meaning to make whole. Simple. And ancient times, old agers, I don't know, Middle Ages, and I don't know, maybe Jesus Christ ages, they used to say in order to heal the body, you have to heal it as a whole. You cannot treat one part. Okay, if I have a headache, I cannot treat only headache, only my head. I have to treat entire body because the problem might be somewhere else. Okay, if there is some kind of organ is not working, is another thing. Maybe something else is causing, even the diet. Okay, next is this process of the restoration of health from an unbalanced disease to balanced organism. Isn't it what we want? It is what we want. Why we don't hear that in the hospital? I don't know. All right. Next thing is cure. I keep hearing we're gonna walk for cure, we're gonna run for cure. But when we go to the doctor, I never hear speaking about the cure. And what is the cure? Cure? You can go on Wikipedia, pull it up, read more. But I highlighted few items for myself to get the idea of what is what. A cure is the end of medical condition. Really? Cure is end of the medical condition. A change in lifestyle or even a philosophical mindset that helps end a person's suffering. Okay, it's like my brother's story. except we made it in Lithuanian language, not in English. But long story short, he had a double a herniated disc in his lower back, and for some reason he wasn't reacting to medications to control, to take care of his inflammation. He was constantly in the pain, excruciating pain, and although the doctors were saying that by taking medications the inflammation should go away within 3 months, but he went with this pain almost in a year, suffering, and he went. He was hospitalized in best town clinic, and still didn't help. And at the end of his term, doctor said, "Well, we have to let you go because we can't do much. And by the way, you're already feeling better." His response was, "How come I'm feeling better? There is nothing was done to me except of horse-size dosage of pain relief was given to him up to the level that his kidneys got damaged." And they call it, well, and that's what it is. It's treatment, pain management. Who needs the treatment? I guess if like in the case like my brother, he wants the healing, right? To have as it says, healing is the meaning to make it whole, restoration of health from unbalanced disease to balanced organism. That's what we want. So that's the story. That's the story. It is, I wanted to say, and makes me think, aren't we going to the hardware store for the milk? Okay, without knowing that, and what we can do about it. Okay, and the doctors know about it. Probably yes, maybe not. But and when I get questioned, people sometimes ask me, Mel, but if what you're doing and other healers what you're doing, sometimes the relief comes very quick. Why don't government take a look at it? And myself would be wondering if there is a single case, just like my brothers, but there is thousands of cases like that. Why government wouldn't take a look at it and take a chance of it? We can save money by taking a new approach or combining something new like bioenergy therapy with the regular healing modality, not the healing treatment modalities. We cannot say healing treatment modalities. But then it appears that there is a issue of finances, because in Western world medical system is profit based. There is a stocks involved, probably most of the people retirement money funds invested in the pharmaceuticals. And in United States alone, there is like 20% of product GDP is healthcare. Imagine how many jobs, money, investments. Yeah, it's a big thing. It's a big thing, and if we focus about our financial interests, it doesn't work. So there has to be some other approach to it, which we'll talk later. How to combine it, how we all can get together and start something new for us from the grassroots, for us regular people that we need, instead of waiting for someone sitting upstairs to take care of it for us. Right? That's it. Mil, and stay well, take care of yourself and each other. Bye.